Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Mastercard account online. So if you also want to create Mastercard account online, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar, type in mastercard.us, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Mastercard US. Mastercard is a global financial network that allows electronic funds transfers. It uses branded debit, credit and prepaid cards. Mastercard acts as an intermediary between businesses and financial institutions. Over here you'll be able to find the option for Mastercard for you. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Look at left, you'll be able to find several options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for find a card. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to find the card that is right for you. Simply click on the option find a card that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. Now you have to select the category. Simply click on the option select a card category. Click on the option that is suitable for you. I'm just going to click on the students option. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to find the Mastercard that is suitable for you. You can see several options over here. Capital One Quicksilver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. Also you can see Capital One Saver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. You can see several other options as well. Select the card of your choice. Now simply click on the option Apply Online. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to apply, you'll have to fill in some of the details. Simply fill in the details. First of all, enter your legal first name. Also enter the legal last name. Also enter the MI. Now simply click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the question over here. Are you a US citizen? Click on yes option if you are. Click on no if you are not. Scroll down. Here you can see the question, do you have citizenship in another country? Click on the option that is suitable for you. Now simply click on the next option that you can see right over here. Likewise, you'll have to answer other questions as well. The questions will be very simple. Simply answer according to your choice. After you answer all the questions, at last you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll have to finish up your application. Check on this box that you can see right over here. Now click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here they are validating your information. Wait for a while. Now your finances will be reviewed. Now your application has been completed. Unfortunately, my application was not approved, but your application will be approved. And your Mastercard will be delivered in your home within 1 or 2 weeks. So that is how you create Mastercard account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.